This is how you can use the Samsung Note Assist. First, you have to go to your settings. Then you go to Galaxy AI. Scroll over to Note Assist. Tap on it. Then set this on. Then you can go to your notes. So we have written data here. You can click on this icon over here. Then you can ask it to summarize whatever is written on the page. So I'm going to click on summarize. Then generate summary. As you can see, it has generated the summary. You can as well click this option over here, select detailed, and done. So it summarizes the text in a more detailed form. You can also check for spelling and grammar by clicking this section. Show corrections. So it would underline every correction, every mistake found in the text. So as you can see here, it has been corrected. Initially it was THEMY, it corrected it to day. So here it was originally CNAD, so it has corrected it to end.